Hey guys, Aaron from Wild Signs bringing you another episode on tips, tricks, and tutorials for graphic design and sign setup. So I got a quick tip for you that has to do with font choice. A lot of times when you're doing graphic design, you're trying to use different weighted fonts to draw attention to different areas. So as you can see from this sign, I wanted Paradise Awaits to really be the focal point and really draw your attention first. And then I was hoping you'd notice Cancun, Mexico, and then Misty Shore Resort based on the font weights. But you can see I use different fonts for each area. I used to do that a lot, but one thing that I've been doing recently is choosing specific fonts that have multiple font weights. I don't know if this is something you've thought about or not. But this design I think looks all right, but it would look way better if the fonts matched. Now, not all fonts have different weights, so that's what this tip is about. It's about starting off picking a font that has multiple weights, so that if you're doing artwork, across multiple artboards and designs, you have what you need. So, like this would look way better if I used this Gotham font for all of it, and Gotham does have a whole bunch of weights, which is why I use it pretty consistently. So I'm going to use Gotham Ultra for the header, and then down here where it says Cancun, Mexico, instead of using another font to get a middle weight, I'm going to actually just come down here and choose Gotham Bold, and then for Misty Shore Resort, instead of using another font, I'm going to grab Gotham Book, and I'm going to have to shrink this down and line these up. And just that change right there, I feel like really made the sign look more professional and more modern. Maybe you find yourself using different fonts to be creative, and that's cool. That's not like something you shouldn't do. But I would say that if you're trying to make a sign that's really modern, really professional, try using one font for all the text that is on the sign, and use different weights, and think about what areas of the sign you want to draw attention to first, because your eyes will be drawn to the area with the heaviest weighted fonts. So obviously I thought through this, and I wanted this Paradise Awaits to be first. I'm hoping they'll see Cancun, Mexico next, and then Misty Shore Resort, if they're not already just staring at the gorgeous image in the background. A lot of times you'll notice like A's and R's, they look different with different fonts. So when you use one font for all of it, all your R's are going to look the same, all your A's are going to look the same, and it just brings a lot of unity to the design. So I'm going to post some fonts that I really like that have a lot of weights in the description below. Just make sure to check the licensing on the fonts before you download and use them. If this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We're going to be doing a lot more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching.